There is this popular YouTuber and a spiritual writer, Gaur Gopal Das, and he says this about forgiveness. He says, when a man is wrong and he says he is sorry, he is an honest man. If the man is wrong and he says, I'm sorry, he is an honest man. If a man is not sure whether he is right or wrong, but he still says sorry, he is a wise man. And if the man is right and he still says sorry, that man is called a husband. And he goes on to say this: when you say sorry, it does not mean that you are wrong. When you say sorry, it does not mean you are wrong. It simply means that you value this relationship more than being right. When you say sorry, it does not mean that you are wrong. It simply means that you value this relationship more than you value being right. Dear families, believe that God has called you to be together along with your spouse and along with your children. And believe that God will not abandon you, but that He lives in your family. And my dear young people out here, do not be afraid of commitment. And I pray during this Eucharist for all of you that you might believe in the beauty of this great sacrament and this great institution of marriage. If you want the world to be a better place, that the power is in your hands. If you want better citizens, then you need to have better families. Let us pray, my dear friends, that all of us may have the grace to forgive daily,